Italy possibly leaving the EU. Roseanne leaving ABC. I don't know which one the markets are shrugging off, but let's ask Peter Tuchman.
We're shrugging them both off. Let's be serious. Neither one is that significant. Although I must say that yesterday's reaction was an overreaction, right? And it's sort of a complicated trade, I think, the Italian thing. Even though, I sort of got a good lowdown from somebody this morning of trying to understand it. Geoeconomic things can affect the market. How significant is Italy leaving the EU? I don't know. I mean, I'm not. I think the whole EU thing is a little bit of a mistake in the big picture. I was reminded that Margaret Thatcher said it wasn't going to work, and that's why they didn't actually, even though they entered the EU for trading purposes, they never changed their currency. And for me, the whole idea of changing currency throughout Europe, I think it was a mistake. Anyway, let's not get wrapped up in that. So at the end of the day, it was an overreaction, as we see here. There's no follow-through. We're up 200 points. So that catalyzed with at the end of May. There are a lot of big rebalances. There's a rumor of a Morgan Stanley pension rebalance, right? So yesterday's trade was super complicated. We saw the sell-off, the largest one-day sell-off in bond yields, which normally would trigger a rally in stocks, but it did not. So there's apparently some pension rebalancing where they're going to be coming out of equities and getting into bonds. So maybe what we saw is, if we really want to overanalyze, is the fact is that bonds suddenly were at a discount. People were trying to get out of equities on a rebound, buy bonds, and they saw that on sale. Bonds on sale. Stop the madness. Let's go. And so they started scooping them up. So we saw them in order to finance that. This is my explanation. I may be completely wrong. Let's be clear, I'm not an economist. But that's what it felt like, because we sold the equities hard. I think an overreaction to the Italian thing.
What would you call it if Italy leaves the EU?
What would I call it? There's a riddle here. I know there is.
Italy.
Oh, no, God.
All right, so Tuchman, where are you taking us for dinner, since it's on this Italian talk? Where's the good restaurants down in the hood?
David Budahana's Sushi Bay at the old Limelight Church.
That's not Italian.
Oh, you asked for Italian food?
Yeah, baby, we're on the topic.
Moscone, forget about it.
And you say it just like that?
Yeah.
What do I order?
Talking. Actually, the pasta vongole at Villa Moscone. It's old world. Beautiful paintings on the wall. That's old school. Yeah.
So I'm going to walk in and name drop Tuchman.
No, they haven't seen me in years. I'm allergic to garlic.